What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, guys, we're going to answer a lot of you guys' questions that I've been getting over the next mentoring class. When is it? What's in it? All that stuff. So this is a video for you guys that have been asking me for the last month and a half. So let's jump right into it, and let's get into the 12-week mentoring course, what's in it, and everything else like that. So let's jump right in. So the first thing about the mentoring course is the fact that once you join the mentoring course, you have lifetime access to the course and also lifetime access to any future material. So it's very important that as I'm updating courses, or if I come up with something new strategies or anything like that I make videos on or courses about, you guys already have access to it. So there's no need to repay for anything. It's just a one-time fee for lifetime access to everything. All right. Next thing is new course material. So this mentoring course, is going to be new material. Okay. New material in the sense of I've made it a lot easier to trade the strategy using just new methods that I would like to focus in on, that I found myself focusing in on. Those particular methods are just make things a lot simpler for my trading. And of course, with new material, you need time to backtest. You need time to develop the actual updated strategy. So that's why it takes me so long to bring a new mentoring course, because it literally just takes time for you to actually put everything together to backtest, which is the hugely important thing, is that there's no need to make anything new, any new material, any new course if you don't backtest it and you don't know what the results are going to be. Okay, so everything that I share with you guys, I share because I know that it works, because I've back tested it, so I know what the results are if it's used properly. All right, so this course moving forward is all brand new material. Nobody's seen this material. Even the people that are currently in the mentoring course, or that have had access to the mentoring course before, have never seen this material. So it's all brand new. All right. So the course itself is 12 weeks long. There's over 15 hours of content. And you're going to see me talk a lot about the hours of content, because I think I need you guys to really understand the amount of content that's in the course or within the actual mentoring program itself. So that way you can really know like how big it is, right? So there's a 12-week course, 15 hours long, at least 15 hours or more of content. There's going to be the advanced course that's over 9 hours of content. The advanced course is only accessed after the 12-week course. Okay, so you have to pass the 12-week course to get access to the advanced course. It only makes sense that way. But the advanced course is over 9 hours of content. You also, after you pass the 12-week course, you'll get access to the Blueprint Summit, the replay of it. That by itself, it's 14 hours of straight content as well. Okay, for those of you that want only videos, right, and don't care to do homework, don't want to be part of a process or anything like that, you literally just want videos, the Blueprint Summit is going to be for you. That's available right now on the website, on fxntrading.com. Okay, that's going to be what you want. All right. Group session archives. There's over 90 hours of content from our group session archives. This is literally like a gold mine of information. I can't stress it enough how much valuable information is in the archives of the group sessions. Okay, so you have access to over 90 hours of content from that. We also get weekly live group sessions. So every Sunday, we're going to get together. We're going to talk about weekly analysis. We're going to talk about backtesting. We're going to do some backtesting. We're going to talk and answer any questions that you might have throughout the whole mentoring program, or just questions in general, right? You're also going to get MT4 and MT5 custom indicators. These are our own indicators that we have created. So you're going to have access to those as well. You're going to get customized trading journal that's customized to the way that we trade, with all the different options for selecting the type of setups that you might actually get. Okay. You're also going to get access to the private Discord mentoring chat. This is where all of our mentors are, mentoring students are. We can chat together, ask whatever questions you want, get questions answered, and get not only my take but other people's take on subject matters that you might ask. And the last thing you're going to get access to is going to be the trading psychology portion. This by itself has over 40 hours of content for trading psychology that goes over trading psychology from the very best people that know about trading psychology. I can't stress how important the trading psychology portion is and how much content is in that actual section. So over 40 hours of content. Guys, so this is what the 12-week mentoring program is. This is everything that you're going to get with mentoring class with just a one-time payment. Guys, so the next mentoring class literally starts in 10 days. 9/20/21 is when the next class starts. You can sign up for it now. The link is in the description of this video, or you can just go to our website, fxntrading.com, to sign up for the course. All right, guys, so for those that have been waiting for the info on the mentoring class, here it is. I hope it was useful for you. And tomorrow I'll have another video about our FXN Plus service, so you guys can know what all that is about. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching the video. I look forward to helping you in your trading journey with the next mentoring class. And I know that you guys are going to get a whole lot of value from this. So I hope to see you in the next class, and have a great rest of your day.